How to count stitches. Counting the stitches or loops on your needle is the easiest way to check if you're on track with your project. Occasionally, you'll need to check if the decreases or increases in an earlier row are correct, and you'll have to count your stitches a few rows down. In this video, we'll show you how to count the stitches in garter stitch, stocking stitch, and moss stitch. Garter stitch produces a series of wave-like ridges. To check how many stitches your row has, you'll count all the bars in one row from left to right. You can count either the top half or bottom half of your wave-like ridge. A top tip: be careful when counting the stitches on the edge of your piece. It can help to stretch and tilt your fabric slightly to see clearly which bar belongs to the first and last stitch. When working in stocking stitch, you'll see the V shapes on the right side of your fabric very clearly. Choose one row and count all the V's from left to right. You can also count your stitches on the purl side of your work. On the wrong side, you'll count each bar as one stitch. Again, be careful with those elusive stitches along the edges that like to curl up in stocking stitch. When working in moss stitch, you'll alternate between knit and purl stitches in each row. To count the stitches in your row, count the alternating V's and bars in this row. Be careful not to slip from row to row when counting in moss stitch. You can now count the stitches in your project.